bright and inspiring achievements of its people. This year, Stanza is truly pleased and privileged to have one outstanding and successful member of the barangay as guest of honor and speaker on this fiesta with the theme, Tuloy ang Pagbabago, Aliguas Barangay Stanza. I am deeply honored to introduce a woman who courageously and victoriously crafted her own success story because of her commitment and fortitude to chase and reach her visions in life. Recognized as a persistent student during her time, coupled with unwavering love and support by her parents, Mr. Ernesto Pablo Obinque and Mrs. Pato Perez Obinque, she ably finished her elementary certificate in Stanza Elementary School in 2002. With hard work and focus, she once again nailed it as she graduated with honors batch of 2006 in Stanza National High School. She then pursued her educational journey by completing Bachelor of Secondary Education alongside with Basic and Advanced ROTC at Pangasinan State University in 2006 to 2010. Her dedication to grow more professionally has become undoubtedly clearer when she became a professional licensed teacher and practiced her vocation at Happy Times Christian School in 2010 to 2011. However, her fate led her to a different yet exciting and challenging career path when she successfully received her direct enlistment in the Philippine Air Force in 2011. As an official airwoman of the Philippine Air Force entails her the series of top schooling and trainings to continuously hone her capabilities. She finished her basic military training class 2013A and Philippine Air Force Officer Candidate Course class in 2014. She also obtained the Supply Operation Officer course in February to May 2015 and Military Pilot Training Class 2017A in January 2016 to April 2017. Impressively, all these pursuits rewarded her to be always among the top 10 in class and recognized as Athletic Awardee and Physical Fitness Test Award Female Category Awardee, respectively. Again, last year, 2023, she completed the Squadron Officer Course Class 2023B and was hailed as a distinguished graduate, making it to top 7, bringing more accolades. A proven woman of courage and commitment, our guest of honor and speaker is an outstanding officer of 5057th Pararescue and Recovery Squadron in year 2020 and a recipient of Distinguished Aviation Cross Award, Bronze Cross Medal Award, and several military merit and commendation medals. Indeed, her never-ending efforts and sacrifices are always worth celebrating, for just last January 2024, she was conferred as the Well Done Awardee of 55th Search and Rescue Group. More than these remarkable achievements are her other noble and admirable deeds, particularly for saving lives of our fellow Filipinos during her numerous search and rescue missions to different areas all over the country. Definitely, she's not only a woman of brilliance and heroism, but also a woman of compassion and inspiration as she keeps bringing hope and joy to those less fortunate in the orphanages since 2020 to present. These distinct triumphs of our guest of honor and speaker have not been possible without the untiring support and guidance of her family, specifically her better half, Philippine Air Force Captain Jmar A. Kawili. Just like the many aircraft loaned by our guest of honor and speaker, she continues to soar high as she creates more commendable and encouraging works that are worth emulating by all of us here in Barangay Stanza and of course, the whole country. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our guest of honor and speaker, Captain Evelyn Mobingue Kawili.
General Taker Season. So magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang introduction. So once again, maabing na Santos na labit si Katay Nabit, na Barangay Punta Stanza. I would like to take this opportunity to greet our Vice Mayor, si Algao at Matatarakit Vice Mayor tayo. Siyempre, Vice Mayor Dexter Maligda. Natatamad sa Municipal Councilor tayo, si Sir Crisostomo. And sa Bishop na Sayang Barangay, Bishop Aquino, as well as sa Ama, tan matatarakin, Ama na Barangay Stanza, Honorable Renato Ocampo, sir. Natatamot at sa Barangay Officialis tayo, who worked really hard for this celebration. Malapot sa Barangay Kagawad tayo, at kung kayo lang iisa-isahin. Sa ating mga barangay tanots and barangay volunteers, good evening mo to each and every one of us. I would also like to take this opportunity to greet my family who are here with me tonight. Sa nanay at tatay ko, Nanay Ernie, Tatay Patro, siyempre sa asawa, Captain Jaymar A. Kawili, classmate ko man, Saray Adagi, my relatives, friends, other guests na nalapunid araw nga barangay, Alumarugar, na Santos na Labi, at si Katay Nabit. Tunay pong isang karangalan na maging bahagi ng pagdiriwang ng ating barangay fiesta. Lalo na nung kinausap ako ng ating barangay captain na maging guest speaker sa gabing ito sa kadahilanan gusto niya na galing mismo sa ating barangay ang magsalita sa harap ninyo ngayon. With that, proud act na nalapuak at barangay Stanza. Malikit sa puso, tabi maluga at barangay na walay pagkakasakay, tanunod at balang sinansako. Nais kong umpisahan ang aking pagsasalita sa pamamagitan ng pagbabahagi sa inyo ng isang maikling kwento patungkol sa aking buhay na sa tingin ko ay may kaugnayan sa ating tema ngayon. Nalabugaw kami ng salagi, ramdam na ramdam may suirap na bilay, ang tayutan. Ang apoy isalibin na saray ng kalkulan niya. Sa hamon at bilay mo't aluan naging madali. Di malang kami, at malubak, at mabatong dala. Balot, lapot sa'y panangaro, sipa, tiyang-tiyaga, daray atang mi, si kamit sa naagi, nakamit mi, so aming mga pangarap, tan sa'y pagbabago, o bilay mi. Sa tema tayo at sayang kapistahan, tuloy ang pagbabago, Aligwas Barangay Stanza is not only about the changes or progress in our barangay, but also, it reminds me na bilay na balang sinansakit si katayo, na walay pangarap, determinasyon, at pagsusumikap, nagamuran tayo namin, suwanto kaman. Our themes also reflects our collective actions and journey towards the betterment of our barangay. Nanonood ko din ang sama na nagawa ko sa barangay Stanza at sakay na tahimik, tan simpleng lugar laban. Baladlatan, sa aking pagbabalik, ako ay natutuwa na makita ang malaking pagbabago ng ating barangay. Malawot simple ng infrastruktura, kalusugan, taon-taon at edukasyon. Pagkatuman, alam ng po sa pagbabago at magandang reputasyon ng ating barangay sa larangan ng turismo. Dati sa barangay tayo si Simple Laban. Ngayon, dinarayo na ng mga turista galing pa sa malalayong lugar. Isa po yan sa indikasyon ng magandang pag-unlad at pag-asenso ng ating barangay Stanza. Dahil na rin po yan sa masiglang pamumuno ng ating barangay opisyales na hindi nagpapagod na magtrabaho para sa ating barangay. Isa pa ang indikasyon ng pag-unlad ay ang pagbabago sa ating mga daan. Nanunatan ko rin ng saman, saray kalsada tayo at ang bilungot. Mabato, aluhan asfalto, makapatagtakot na dalanan lulabi. Balot natan, lakot sa maong na impantutok na saray barangay opisyalis tayo at saray at proyekto. Saray kalsada tayo natan at asfalto lang, maaliwalas at aliwalan ang bilungot. Tunay po, malayo na ang narating ng barangay Istanza. I must commend the leadership of our barangay officials dahil sa inyong sipag, tiyaga, at panangaraw barangay Istanza ay nabago nyo ang mukha ng ating barangay. Congratulations po sa ating barangay captain. You have transformed our barangay into a vibrant community known not just for its beauty and culture, but for its positive and progressive mindset. Siyempre, huwag din natin kalimutan ang bawat miyembro ng ating barangay na nagbigay ng aktibong partisipasyon at disiplina. Kayo po ang nagpapatunay na kapag merong pagkakaisa at merong pagtutulungan, kaya natin lahat. Gabay ko man na i-share si kayo ay limarang salita na kumunat magsilbing sandata tayo as we move forward towards a better barangay. Sa una na, pangkakasakay. Nung wala'y pangkakasakay tayo, nagamuran tayo namin. Let's find common ground, work together, and embrace the power of our collective action. Sa ikaw-adwa, pantutulungan. Let's cultivate a culture of mutual support. At tayo ang sisiblad at balansin ng sakoy. Magtulong tayo na nakakaukulan. Tapos nagamuran tayo sa komunidad na walay pakanikna ng suporta at balansin ng sakoy. Tandaan tayo, we are one community here. Tulungan natin iangat ang bawat isa para mas umangat pa ang ating barangay. Sa ikamatlo, determination. This will be the fire that fuels our journey. Let's face every challenges with an attitude na kaya natin to. Sarasaran tayo yan. Magsunod tayo ang gano'n ang hirap. Tapos nagamuran tayo sa pagbabago para sa sarili tayo ng para sa barangay tayo. Sa ikumapat, pangarap. Ayaso man silbin, bukol at ulat na tagumpay tayo. Mangarap kayo balog para sa sarili tayo, para sa barangay tayo, dan sa future generation, yaman-mana, ng lugar tayo. Let's envision our barangay na mas maligwas dan mas progresibo. Let this dream guide our actions and decisions towards the betterment of ourselves and for our barangay. Sa isampon, pananisya ang Diyos. Sa madaot tayo ang patron, Senior Santo Niño de Civil. Kung tawag tayo na sigara, tapi ang susto, sutahak lang tayong dala. Muli, ang tema natin ay hindi lamang isang salita, kundi isang hamon para sa ating lahat. Bawat isa sa atin ay may responsibilidad na dapat gampanan. Ituloy lang natin ang pagbabago na ating nasimulan. Alam ko na sa ating sama-samang pagkilos, marami pa ang mararating ng Barangay Istanza. Muli, tandaan po natin yung 5 salita na aking sinabi sa inyo na magsisilbing sandata para sa mas maligwas na Barangay Istanza. Ulitin ko, pangkakasakay, pantutulungan, determinasyon, pangarap, at panalisya Diyos. PPDPP. Once again, happy Fiesta to each and every one of us, Banaligwas, Barangay Istanza.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Muli po, palakpakan po natin ang ating guest of honor speaker, Captain Evelyn P. Ubingke Kawile of the Philippine Air Force.